And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Christopher Samuda is the new president of the Jamaica Olympic Association. The Paralympic Association boss turned back the challenge of Vishu Tolan in a close contest in the race to replace Mike Fennell, who did not seek re-election after 40 years in charge. Now, our reporter Karen Madden joins us live from the J.O.A. headquarters. Karen?
As Samuda won by 20 to 16 votes, and immediately after his election as president of the J.O.A., he spoke with the media clan.
It's a new dawn, but we will build on the institutional integrity for which the J.O.A. is known. There will be changes in the interest of sport, but those changes will be seamless. I want to publicly thank the Honorable Mike Fennell for the years of service that he has given to the Olympic movement. Sterling, the quality of character that he displayed, the quality of leadership he displayed, and also the unwavering interest in the development of the Olympic movement, not only in Jamaica, regionally and internationally. I want to thank also the members of the board, those who supported me, those who did not support me. I want to thank all of the member associations, those who supported and those who did not support. The movement is now unified. We will move towards our goals as a team, and we will ensure that the Olympic movement not only grows meteorically in Jamaica, but is an exemplar to other Olympic movements in the region and globally.
So even as you join me here, Spencer, voting continues for 9 other positions on the J.O.A. executive. And so voting continues right behind me in the J.O.A. boardroom. Of course, in Primetime Sports tomorrow, we'll give you all the details of those elections. But just to recap, Christopher Samuda, the Paralympic boss, is the head of the J.O.A. It's back to you, Spencer.